Hey everyone, this is Michael Trethart, International Technology Instructor, and I'm going to be in the Baltimore area next Monday. And we're going to be doing a hands-on workshop that is going to be open to all Keller Williams agents, all real estate agents, and all business owners. And that is going to be Discover Your Facebook Goldmine from 9 a.m. to noon. This is a class you do not want to miss. The records for this session, 63 listings in 1 hour, $85,000 worth of booked business for a non-real estate agent. This is a class that is going to make you some money, and we're going to do it right there in the class, which even makes it that much better. So bring your laptop, bring your iPad, bring your phone. You're going to be able to apply a lot of these tools right then and there in the workshops. We're going to take a lunch break at noon, from noon to 12:30. Then we're going to come back for Lead Generate with KW Tech. So we're going to keep the lead generation theme going throughout the day, and I'm going to show you some techniques that's going to allow you to, again, to pump up your business using KW Tech. And we're going to be going inside of Command, but we're also going to be talking about some tools outside of Command. So we're going to be moving in and out and showing you how you guys can use this in your everyday business. This is going to be at 4015 Foster Avenue, Suite 300, and it's going to be next Monday, May 20th. The cost to attend is only $50. You're going to make thousands from coming to this class. So I will see you guys very, very soon.